MTN SME Hub. Link to growth. Link to success. Link to the ultimate resource for business advice and insights.
Welcome to the Big Small Business Show, the show for all our wonderful entrepreneurs out there who are trying to make a life, a living, a legacy. And today in studio, we got TVDM Consultants represented by Zerlinda van der Merwe. Let's take a look.
So my name is Zerlinda van der Merwe. I'm from TVDM Consultants. I'm the director and co-founder. We are a specialist consultancy specializing in community scheme, legal advice and guidance, consultations, dispute resolution, all those fun things. My colleague and I have both been in property and community schemes for the majority of our careers. I grew up and lived in a whole host of different community schemes, so I knew that community schemes or body corporates and HRA living was in my blood. Our speciality has been on the legal aspects relating to it. We've had some property management experience as well, and we saw that there was a niche in the market for a boutique consultancy, so not your traditional law firm, but rather somewhere that people could go for assistance outside of the courts. So looking at internal dispute resolution through the community schemes, ombuds service, legal advice and guidance, opinions, letters, all those fun things, without the sometimes intimidating atmosphere of a traditional law firm. Our history, we opened up smack bang in the middle of COVID in June 2020. We both, I think, were a little bit tired of the rat race and traveling to work and all those fun things. My partner had just had her little daughter, and we were looking to work from home, work remotely, take care of our families, all those fun things. And we thought, if we can't make it during COVID, then, so let's give it a shot. And that's how we started. And we saw an incredible opportunity in the market to consult online. There wasn't a need anymore to have to go into somebody's offices, and in working with community schemes, we often consult at the managing agent's offices or at the building itself, so the need for offices was not necessary. And then of course with COVID and Zoom meetings and all those fun things, it was just the perfect opportunity. So for the first year or so, my partner Nicole and I were solo, so we were doing everything ourselves. We then took on a team member, one of our original team members. She came from the property management space and joined us for just under a year as a consultant. After that, we grew slowly but steadily. We have 4 consultants at the moment. We do have the hopes and desires of having a few more consultants, 1 or 2 assistants, but we are steadily growing, not wanting to become too big, enjoying the benefits of being a small business. So something that we are needing assistance with is just some ideas and guidance on how to continue to differentiate ourselves from our colleagues in the industry. Just that brand recognition and becoming more of a household name and staying a household name, building our database of clients and retaining them as well. We are in a industry where problems come and go quite quickly, and because we don't do litigation, we don't tend to keep a client forever and ever and ever until the matter's resolved. It's quite quick advice in and out. So our most constant clients are like our developers and managing agents, so just that maintaining of clients, and just seeing where other opportunities are for us to expand the business, but in line with what we do. We've got a very singular mindset when it comes to what we do, so sometimes it is a bit of a challenge to see where other opportunities and avenues are. So my question for Allon is just assistance with how to differentiate ourselves in the market, just how to maintain that TVDM Consultants branding, and how to protect it in the market as well, and just how to maintain our trajectory of where we are and what we're working with, that we don't deviate too much from where our actual goal is.
Welcome to the Big Small Business Show.
Thank you so much for having me.
Okay, let's start off by understanding what community schemes living is. What does that mean?
So if you are an owner or a tenant or an occupier in a community scheme, that would be a body corporate, a sectional title scheme, more commonly known as a block of flats or a complex, a homeowners association or estate, a retirement scheme. That is what community schemes is all about. And then the living aspect is that we are assisting the people that are managing living in those environments.
So is it the body corporate that you are advising or consulting to, or is it the individuals who, so if I've got a flat within a block of flats, are you advising me or the body corporate?
Both. So we assist both owners as well as the managing agents and the trustees. Obviously not of the same scheme, that would be a conflict, but we do assist in both of those capacities.
Okay, so you said in this insert that you you are lawyers, but you're not practicing lawyers, and that you're consulting.
Yes.
And I'm just wondering who you compete with. So, like other legal firms, who are you competing with? Are there people who are exactly in the situation as you are? For example, there are lawyers that are not practicing, or could I become a consultant in your space, and are you competing against who I've just said I've?
Yes, yeah. So it's attorneys in practicing law firms, consultants similar to ourselves, people that used to be trustees and are now consultants, people that used to be managing agents and are consultants. If you've got any form of experience in community schemes, it's not a very long shot to become a consultant. You just have to train yourself and learn a little bit more in the industry.
And what do they consult you on?
So everything to do with the legal advice surrounding community schemes, so dealing with dispute resolution, drafting and understanding, interpreting governance documents like rules, constitutions, MOIs, giving advice about little disputes, big disputes, anything that could or should go to court, any disputes at the community scheme ombuds service, advice and guidance on how to deal with your neighbor, your rights and obligations as an owner, how to manage, how to administer schemes as a managing agent or a trustee. So anything in the realm of governance of a community scheme.
So once you've advised past a dispute, let's say there's a dispute between body corporate and a member, and you've given advice, you don't then, if that dispute is not resolved, you don't then follow that through to the courts.
So we assist through the community scheme ombuds service. And when it comes to community schemes, your first port of call has to be the community scheme ombuds service, except for very exceptional circumstances. So we facilitate and assist clients both in making applications at the CSOS and defending applications as well, which does set us aside or apart from our colleagues in the industry that practice as legal practitioners. If a matter does have to go to court, then we very often work with our litigation colleagues to assist that client in dealing with the matter through court or through arbitration.
Zerlinda, we're going to take a break right now, and when we come back, there'll be more questions for Zerlinda. Stay tuned.
MTN SME Hub, link to business success.